Hi guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to create digital signage or called menu board using Elementor. So this is my recent project that I did for the pizza place. It is located here in St. Petersburg, Florida. So together they have 5 screens. This is how it looks. So we have images that are changing, and we also have the menu and few pictures. Okay, so let's start. Let's remind you quick that on my previous video I create a video how to install and set up your website step by step by installing Wordpress, Elementor, and by signing up to the hosting gear. Again, quick reminder, go to lachoweb.com, go to tutorials, and right here you have the hosting, WordPress, and Elementor Pro. So after you watch my previous video, you will be at this point where I'm currently. So from here, what we really need to know is how are the TV installed? Are they in portrait mode or in a landscape mode? In this case, I have on a portrait mode, and I do know that their TVs are not supporting screen rotation, so I will have to do my magic. Let's start. What we have to do is we need to create a new page by going to pages, and here now we're going to create the page called screen 1 in this case. Then on the right side where it says default template, we have to do landing page, hit publish, publish again, and edit with Elementor. So here we see that this page, it is created from the logo, from the rollover image, and from another image. In this case we have more. So let's start. It was 3. Now we're gonna make this to be a stretch section, also to be a full width. Now we will have to put a picture which is on the first, to the right we have the logo, and we're going to do that by dragging the image to the square right here, select file, here we go, the logo, hit open, insert. Okay, we will deal with the design later. And here now we're going to put the carousel image. So we're gonna go and find for image. Okay. Now we have to choose the images. I already have created my folder with background 1 and 2. Hit open. Gonna hit create the gallery. Insert to the gallery. And here now I'm gonna make this one to be full width. In the meantime, slides to show we need only 1, and image stretch, yes. Navigation, we don't need the dots over here, so at this point we are good to go. Now I'm gonna make this one smaller as well. Okay, I'm gonna bring this one to the middle by adding some margin. Okay. Middle. Now in here we can add the menu, and at the same time we can add a couple more pictures. So in this case I'm going to add another section. I'm going to put another picture in this box, and I'm going to choose the image that I also rotated to the right, which is the items. Insert. Here we go. Now over here I can add two images by clicking one and choosing another one. Okay. Now I have image number 1, which is going to be number 1. Insert, and I do also have the image number 2. Okay. Now what I have to do, I need to make this picture to be bigger. I'm going to do that by going to Style and increasing the width. Okay. So how you can see, I don't like the way how the image is changing, so I will have to change the effect from slide to fade. Okay. Hit update. Now in here we can see where we're at. You put this one on TV, it's going to look the way you want it. The only thing that we have to work a little bit more is the picture over here. So now in here we have to fix this image. In order to do that, I'm going to resize this one and resize this one as well. I believe here I should be good. Not yet. A little bit more. So let's publish it, update, and check out the link. It does look much better. So when you open the browser now, you're gonna see the same screen that I have over here, and it is exactly this page. You will have to play with the size of the pictures, but this is the idea. If it was the landscape mode, that would have been much easier, because you did not have to do and deal with the images to rotate them and to work like in sideways, but it is what it is. So thank you for watching, and see you on the next video. Thank you.